I'm using some yarn, a 4mm crochet hook and a needle. Start with the slip knot. Chain 1, yarn over, take your hook through the same chain, come up, yarn over again, into the same chain and pull your yarn through, once more yarn over and pull your yarn through. So you should have 6 loops now. Pull through all of them together and chain 1. This is 1 puff. Again, yarn over, pull your yarn over, pull your yarn a second time, yarn over and a third time now. Yarn over, pull through all of them and chain 1. Repeat this and make 25 puff stitches. So this is row 1. Now for row 2, create one more puff stitch. Pull through all, chain 1. So this is your first stitch for row 2. Again, yarn over, create a puff, now instead of finishing it, yarn over again and create a puff stitch into the next space. Yarn over again and one more puff stitch into the next space after that. So you'll have 3 puff stitches in your hook. Now hold your yarn with your middle finger and thumb, yarn over and pull through all 3 puff stitches. Get your hook through the yarn that you were holding and chain 1. This is your first stitch for row 2. Again, yarn over, create your first puff stitch, yarn over, second one, yarn over and a third one. Hold your yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn through the one you were holding and chain 1. Repeat this till the other end. Once you're done with the row, now for your next row, Make a puff stitch. Turn your work. And you're going to repeat what you did for row 2 again. Yarn over, create a puff. Yarn over, create your second puff. Yarn over your third one. Hold your yarn, pull through all 3, and a chain. Repeat this till the other end. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Stitch your end. Now for the string, I'll be using 2 strands of yarn. Get your hook through and create 60 chains. Cut your yarn and do the same thing for the other side.